Welcome back to our new ATEN review video. Now we'll be discussing VC986 active 4K DisplayPort HDMI adapter. So for this one, we will be checking ano ba ang nasa loob ng box natin and also yung mga functions and who needs and wants this sa kanilang everyday, office, or personal use. So I'll be checking out ano ba ang nasa loob ng box. Here we can see the actual item itself plus all the paperwork, the warranty cards, and also yung manuals niya in English language. While checking it, tingnan natin yung build quality niya. Ano ba ang mga makikita natin sa item itself. We can see the well-packed item inside. As I check what's inside, and I'll also show you guys, I'll zoom it in, yung HDMI, yung DisplayPort natin. So you can connect this sa inyong mga devices, sa mga laptops, and you can bring this anywhere, sa office, may meeting kayo in a coffee shop, or conference rooms na walang mga adapter. So the main feature of this item is active yung 4K niya, DisplayPort. Which is sa iba hindi kaya yung 4K. It supports resolution up to 4K 30Hz and HD quality up to 60Hz. Active adapter siya, so it ensures stable video signal conversion unlike others, and supports Eyefinity, meaning multi-screen setups. Anong requirements niya? PC laptop equipment with mini DisplayPort and also display AV equipment with HDMI port. So that's all it for now. We hope we give you so much information for you to get it from us, and thank you.